Vybz Kartel was spotted at the airport boarding a private jet with his partner, Sidem Öztürk. But here's the kicker. This wasn't even posted by Kartel himself. In the clip, you can catch him on his phone, maybe capturing a few moments for the gram or his next big post. So, what's he up to this time? Now, let's not forget that Kartel and Sidem Öztürk dropped a bombshell on Friday, too. They announced that his first big performance since being released is set for Tuesday, December 31st. Just days after Sting 2024 wraps up, Vybz Kartel is hitting the stage, and you know it's going to be epic. And if that wasn't enough, the DJ also hinted that he's heading to Belize soon for some much-needed R&R, but there's still no word on where exactly that jet was headed on Friday. Oh, and let's not overlook the fact that Kartel recently visited his doctor for a major checkup and even mentioned he might seek medical treatment overseas for his Graves' disease. So, what do you think, guys? Is Vybz Kartel planning something huge with this mysterious jet trip? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's get the conversation going.